We have been in the Park Authority have been looking at non-gas powered equipment for several years now, but here of late, with a greater push on environmental consciousness and trying to be better with the environment, we have been looking at battery powered lawn equipment of all types, including equipment such as utility vehicles, smaller mowers, and similar type of equipment. The emissions from a gas-powered lawn equipment can actually be a little bit more unhealthy than obviously operating something that doesn't have any emissions at all, like a battery-powered lawn equipment. One of the big savings, again, with battery-powered equipment is in the cost savings from the charging or the fueling. So with gas-powered equipment, you have the fuel costs, which we all know gas prices are pretty high right now. But with battery power, the hourly rates for electricity are much lower. So the savings in operating lawn equipment is very high. If anybody's interested in more information on county initiatives that are helpful for the environment, including energy management, the county does have several websites, including those that are on the Park Authority, as well as the county as a whole.